Okay, Coach Leo, na nakikiride tayo sa 2016 craze, no? Maraming binabalikan ng 2016, pero 2016, maalala natin, no? Simula yung taon na yung Miracle, di ba? Can you describe to us paano nyo pa rin naaalala yung Miracle at how the team grew from 2016 to 2026? Ilan na lang kayo natira?
Yeah, I think tatlo na lang eh.
Oo,
Bali apat
Marcio,
kasama ko.
oh.
Tatlong players, si Marcio, si Jumar at saka si Chris Ross. And I think that was the time nag-blossom si Chris Ross during our game 3 and 4. And din na nag-start yung kanyang pagiging leader uh, ng team. And then from there, dire-diretso na kami nun. And then from 0-3, naging 4-3. And that's uh, the most memorable thing sa akin, para sa team na nangyari, and even from the crowd siguro, dahil never nangyayari yung 0-3 to 4-3 in a high level of basketball tournament.
Ang going back, coach, how did it help you grow as a coach? Kasi 10 years, syempre, dapat may growth tayo dyan, di ba? May mga lessons tayo natutunan dyan. Paano kayo pinatigas ng
Well,
2016?
every day is a lesson for us. But the 2016, so that means na if you're down, uh, uh, hanggang meron kayong pag-asa, kailangan you have to push yourself. Keep on trying and keep on learning every day, and that's what happened. And after winning that kind of a game, so it develops a lot of yung guts, confidence, and then you know how to handle it, dahil may mga adversaries na nakaka-apekto sa anybody, but adversaries is just part of a growing up and then you have to move on, focus on the next day, and then after the championship, and that's already the thing of the past. You cannot dwell anymore on what your performance, so you have to think of what is next and keep on improving, learning, because every day is a different a challenge.
And coach, ito, no, 2016 naman, no, looking back, magugulat ka. Pag sinabi sa'yo hanggang 2026, nag-MVP pa si Junmar, maniniwala ka rin.
Yeah, because of his dominance, mahirap dahil every season nagkakaroon ng changes sa mga lineup. Katulad sa amin, nagkaroon ng changes. Ganyan. But because of his dominance, not because of him also, his teammates is always keep on supporting him. And that's the good thing with our team. They know whom they gonna support. And walang ako muna, ako rito. Hindi. Ako sinong sa basketball, kung sino mainit, dapat sa kanya mo ibigay. But who could challenge his performance? Ganyan, especially in the All Filipino, makikita natin every All Filipino andito kami sa playoffs and then finals, ganyan. And I think big percentage ng winning ng MVP pagka nanalo ka ng All Filipino. That means nag-accumulate ang stats mo because you're the team na magkakaroon ng most number of games.
And coach, di ba parang, syempre in 10 years, may mga teams na nag-rebuild, na bumalik. Ang San Miguel na maintain nila yung culture, no, all throughout those years. What can you say about na naging resilient yung culture ng San Miguel, and up to today, parang laging kinoconsider pa rin ng San Miguel as contenders?
Yeah, I have to be very thankful, at thankful ako and grateful to the management because it's not my only job. It's a part of my job is only part of the system of the team, and the management is keep on seeing us what kind of improvement we have to have, and every season naman if possible kailangan magkaroon kami ng changes, but for the improvement of team, magkakaroon ng mga trade, magkakaroon ng pinipick up ka sa drafting, ganyan. But yan yung kailangan you have to be very consistent in what you're doing. You have to keep on improving dahil for us every practice, every game is a learning process and you have to be consistent on doing that, especially on defense ngayon nag-i-evolve And offense, makikita mo naman internationally, nababago rin eh. Ganyan. But the team is lucky. We have Judmar na pwede maging central sa kanyang play, and then Judmar is also lucky with the team because he was surrounded by a lot of players who could support him. Okay, and then for winning championship.
And on your end naman, coach, nung 2016 medyo talog tayo ngayon. Nung time na yun, na-imagine mo, kumakatok ka sa mga record nila Baby Dalupan, yung mga gano'n.
Yeah, I'm not after those mga record eh. Basta ako, every day, every practice, kaya we have to do something para sa improvement, And then, every one game at a time lagi iniisip eh. Hindi ko sasabing kailangan ma-achieve ito, but by keep on working hard and keep on improving and trying to be consistent on the right things na it's a process eh. And then malalaman mo na lang, oy, andito pala kami, maganda nito. Kaya yung mga nakaraan eh, minsan binabalik-balikan dahil yan yung foundation ng what we have today eh.